Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and project basics so recording is reliable. Connect your audio interface, then open Logic Pro and create an empty project. Add an audio or software instrument track right away. Next, set your sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and choose a buffer size low enough for monitoring but stable for your CPU. While doing this, assign the correct input channel and enable input monitoring. This gets you in position to record Once the project is ready, focus on track setup and execution. Arm the track and enable input monitoring so you hear what you'll record. Set gain so peaks sit near -6 dB to leave headroom. If you need real-time effects, use sends or a monitoring track and enable low latency mode to avoid delay. For complex parts, use cycle recording or punch-in to capture multiple takes. Logic's take folders keep everything organized, making comping faster and cleaner when you're ready to edit. Complete the session by editing and exporting with care. Open the take folder to comp the best phrases, trim regions, and add short crossfades to avoid clicks. This improves continuity. Do a quick rough mix with gentle EQ and compression so you can assess the performance. When you bounce, pick the correct bit depth and keep normalization off for more control. If something breaks, no sound or glitches, recheck I/O, buffer, and low latency mode. Restart Logic and the interface drivers as a quick, reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.